It's been a little over 24 hours since Arvind Kejriwal resigned as the Delhi Chief Minister, but the politicking for the Lok Sabha elections has already begun in full force. The Political Affairs Committee of the Aam Aadmi Party is meeting at the party headquarters to finalize the candidates for the elections. And while it remains uncertain whether Arvind Kejriwal himself will contest the big election, there was a precursor of things to come on his Twitter page this morning. Now, positioning himself directly against Narendra Modi and Rahul Gandhi, he refers to them as Mukesh Ambani's agents, asking if the 2014 elections would be fought by the Aam Aadmi Party against the corporate giant. Also demanding that Narendra Modi break his silence on what he calls his party's relations with Mukesh Ambani. The Aam Aadmi Party senior leadership is also getting ready for the massive confrontation taking on Rahul Gandhi, Narendra Modi and one of India's biggest corporate giants, Mukesh Ambani, all in one sweep.
आम आदमी पार्टी का ये आरोप है पूरी गंभीरता के साथ कि रिलायंस के दबाव में कुछ मंत्रियों ने मिलकर दाम को मैनिपुलेट करने का काम किया है और यही कारण था कि जब इन्होंने अंडर प्रोड्यूस किया, सिर्फ 20% गैस निकालने का काम किया, 80% नहीं निकाला, यानी देश के अंदर जानबूझकर एक कृत्रिम डिमांड क्रिएट की गई, शॉर्टेज क्रिएट की गई है और उसका हर्जाना रिलायंस से लिया जाना चाहिए।
झूठ बोल रहे हैं, लगातार झूठ पे झूठ बोलते चले जा रहे हैं हर मामले में। एक भी मामले में अब वो कह रहे हैं कि इसने कांग्रेस और बीजेपी को इकट्ठा कर दिया रिलायंस वालों ने। अब रिलायंस को इन्होंने 3000 करोड़ रुपए की सब्सिडी दी है। भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने कभी आज तक एक पैसे की सब्सिडी नहीं दी। हम इसकी मांग भी नहीं कर रहे थे। हम कह रहे थे कि इन कंपनियों पे ऑडिट कराओ और कंपनियों को कहो कि वो कम करें, बजाय कंपनियों से पैसे कम करने के। रिलायंस ने अगर 3000 रुपये की रिश्वत इन्होंने दी है, रिलायंस से ली है और बांट दी है यहाँ पर, तो ये तो रिश्वत इन्होंने ली है 3000 करोड़ की।
And our correspondent Kamaljeet Sandhu, who has been tracking the story very closely, now joining us live on the story. Kamal, the Kejriwal in fact taking on not just the BJP, but the Congress as well, and Mukesh Ambani. The question really is now, looking at the politics of it, is definitely whether Rahul Gandhi and Narendra Modi are in fact going to react to these comments that Arvind Kejriwal made on Twitter.
Obviously, both BJP and Congress are rubbishing charges, but remember, the AAP party has said that why was Jaypal Reddy removed? Why was such an honest minister removed? Where are the accounts? How is that such a deal could have been struck? So obviously, a lot of fingers pointing at each other. Congress party obviously hitting back, saying there is no such allegation. Obviously, we are hearing through our sources that the government now plans to go to the Supreme Court to have a stay on the FIR, which is against the minister, Mr. Moily, also, as well as Mukesh Ambani. This is something which is going to be creating a lot of ruckus, perhaps in the parliament also. Remember, there is a vote on account. Obviously, a lot of questions could be raised. This could raise a lot of uproar. But with the AAP party hitting out both at BJP and Congress in equal terms, it does seem the parties are going to be raising fingers at each other, since AAP is not represented in the parliament itself. But yes, this could create a lot of problem, because there is a corporate money which is given both to BJP, both to Congress party as well. This has been different NGOs have always maintained that. But now is the point where they're saying that the entire politics is done because of the anti-corruption crusade. And the fact is that they've raised this question mark. They knew very well that Lokpal bill could not be a possibility. So before going, they obviously filed that particular FIR, which named Mukesh Ambani as well as Mr. Moily. And clearly, there is going to be a lot of politics in the next few days and ahead of vote of account, and this is going to cause only more trouble for at least BJP and Congress.
Absolutely. Kamaljeet Sandhu, our correspondent, giving us those updates. We'll continue to give you more as the story develops. In fact, Narendra Modi is scheduled to hold a massive rally in Sujanpur in Himachal Pradesh today. Rahul Gandhi in Karnataka, he will be leading the women's wing rally. But it remains to be seen, as we've spoken about, if Arvind Kejriwal's question will elicit a response from either of the two leaders who are leading their parties into this year's elections.